record like the things. Like I don't know what else to tell you. It's like, excuse me.
What?
Like the food. Like hello.
Okay. I'll be looking at this. What's even in here? Can you move? You just like hit the camera with your nose.
But like we're just gonna like put a little here and like we're gonna do more I guess.
Oh, that is awesome. Are you guys gonna go to school to be a chef or to go to cooking school?
It's just for DigVid, which is like just recording videos and like putting them together and stuff.
Okay, good. I want you to do me a favor. When you go back to school Monday, or whoever your teachers are, and we give scholarships to the Winthrop seniors, but they have to major in business if they're a senior. So, but if there's anything that we can do with the schools, you can let Mr. Cromie know. He knows me real well. And anything we can do to help out the school, especially young folks like yourself, we want to be involved in. Okay? Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you. You too. Play sauce?
Wait,
Did you play sauce?
that's crazy, dude. Don't you? Wait. So what do you need?
I don't really need anything else. Like, I'm pretty sure we have everything. So.
Forgot rice cakes existed.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna put the code in.
What? Oh, yeah. That's why I looked away.
Yeah. So I was gonna say it's like
You might know the Laganis? Yes. My mom is Renee.
I'm like the cookies, like we honestly just.
Yeah, that's alright. Alright, guys, we got the goods. Okay, but Albie, what you're making isn't really that hard.
What are they making? But I can hear you right now, even just because it's not that complicated to make. Yeah, but it's not really good.
I don't know what Dante's making, but Albie's making like something with shrimp. So that's all I know. Shrimp something. I don't know. Dante looked at me and he's like laughing. No, I don't know. Oh yeah, 'cause you had drama that day. It was Friday, right?
It was Friday.
Yeah. Albie, lift up your shirt.
Nine things. That's not for sure.
Lift up your shirt. Over the camera, like there's.
So you can sing a when it starts.
You can tell me like, oh, put this here.
It's just.
Because the first step.
That. Like you dictate based on your recipe and how you're doing it when he's gonna switch in.
Yeah.
Don't maybe go by time, go by steps because you want to make it.
So basically, switch off every. So you're just gonna hold it the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay.
And I'll be here to help if you need it.
Okay, so it's like 2 tablespoons. We would say 4 tablespoons. I do not remember already.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of olive oil. Wonderful.
Tablespoon. Yeah, it's like the brim. Yeah. Just pour it all at once.
Yeah, but we also have to get it like around it though.
You're gonna get a spatula and mix it around anyway.
Sure.
Okay.
So.
Don't pour all of that. Pour a little bit back in the
Okay,
bottle.
yeah, that's good. Claire should have sold it over everything.
Why are you using like a serrated knife?
It doesn't really matter what knife you use.
I know, but it's just that knife isn't really used for butter, but it works still.
I smell.
A knife is knife.
A knife is knife.
A
I know.
knife is knife. I almost had to touch just
People in
throw it
class
in here
are
with the
Oh my
background.
god.
Albie, people in class are probably gonna murder you for using a knife.
Probably, yeah.
A serrated knife to cut butter.
Okay. I didn't wash my hands before this.
Use a butter.
That's fine.
Okay.
Just
Why didn't
drop
you
it
use a
in.
butter knife?
Just put it.
Because he's an idiot.
Don't use the knife. Get like a spatula.
Amazing.
Excuse me.
It's better.
What does
but
fragrant mean? Like from like how it smells? So like I can
Yes.
smell it?
Yep.
basically, yeah.
No, it didn't.
Also, like stir it around.
You stirred it.
Stir the garlic.
Yes. So you can saute.
Oh my
See-
god. You get the wooden spoon. Get the wooden spoon.
Which one? This one?
Anyone. They're all the same.
Yes.
Oh my god.
No, girl.
Yeah, you need more garlic.
And mix it more, please.
Here.
Okay.
I'll do this.
You can mix it and get the garlic at the same time. Just saying. You know what, you should get like one strand of hair and just pull it. No. Pull your hat. No. It would be silly.
So that's right. Right.
Can you shut the water, please?
Because boiling hot water is like recooking shrimp.
That's a lot of water.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying. I need help shutting it.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's a little more.
When I was moving into Winthrop, the house previously in that I was moving into, my current house now, had burnt down. Oh my god, that house right now? Yeah, so we had to do a bunch of renovations when we were first.
Excuse me?
I want marshmallows.
So, the marshmallow.
Nah, I'm okay.
Where'd he go?
I'm just throwing something away.
So, I'm good with that. Right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, cool. Excuse me.
Should we well, you lowered it, right?
Yeah. I'm just gonna put it over here.
Maybe put it in the sink upside down so we can like actually have it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, not entirely sure how to do this, but we're just gonna wing it.
Support.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I just pour it all in there and then I'll move it.
just give me like a minute or two about that.
Okay, yep.
Wonderful.
Now, do you always immediately
No,
wash this, or?
No, put it back on the stove.
And then just like scoop the shrimp in there.
Okay.
Or move on the other side, you know, that might help.
Well, I'm sorry, but like I can't really see anything, so I can't really judge.
You got it all. You got it all.
And then, yeah, don't just put the juice in.
Excuse me? And then we mix it, right?
Yeah, and then mix it here.
I don't know if it's still hot or not, so. It's actually gonna. And then we serve it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That should be good, right?
Yep.
Okay. Right? Does it say pot or pan? Hold on. In a small pot, okay.
Bye.